Y'all ready?
Hey everybody. Is
Hey.
it already on record now?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey everybody. This Bullock family and best friend over here. Today we're gonna do a video called the
Fart soundboard challenge.
Sound Challenge, right?
Fart soundboard.
Yeah. And this is gonna be a good one. We've never done this before, but we have watched the videos of it. I think it's gonna be a great one.
Oh,
So drink up. I mean, damn.
Whoever laughs
have
has
to
to
drink
drink.
a soda. All right. So here goes.
Let's get started. All
You
right.
Catherine says first. You can't drink anymore. You can have it. Okay, pause. Okay. I didn't laugh, so I know Ashley did. Okay. And
Stop it.
so it's my go.
You just press the pause button when it's time to pause it.
Which one?
Pause right
Because I didn't know.
here. Pause it with that.
Okay.
Okay, we all got it.
I couldn't get it to pause. But, well, it's Chris home.
Okay, it's on
Okay,
pause.
Krista, your turn now. You got to pause it with the button right now, with the OK
Stop.
button on the top.
Well, it's got
Alright.
the little.
Yeah,
This button.
yeah. We got to pause it. Okay. Okay. Did you laugh? All right. I got to laugh on that. I got that. Here you go, Ashley.
I just had to take a sip because I had to laugh. Here, dog.
Your turn, Kevin. Did you laugh at that part?
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay. Okay, pause it, pause it. That's right. You didn't laugh at that? Woo! This is very funny. Okay. You ready?
Yeah. You gonna be hyped, though.
Okay, I don't think no one laughed at that one.
He's drinking soda.
Okay, that was the what's that part
I
called?
think I can. I think I can.
We gotta tell the fart names. I forgot about that too. Okay, pause real quick.
Bun joke.
Boogie boy. You gotta tell the names when you tell the fart.
I didn't find that one that funny.
Okay. I don't think no one really laughed at that one.
The long and winded road.
Having fun drinking my soda.
That's why they call it wine. It can just keep going and going and going.
Okay, Bob. Go ahead, drink on that one. Here, Catherine. Hold on. All right. Okay, say the name. The Sally boy or something. Okay. Oh no, Love Daisy. Okay. We gotta drink when we laugh.
Got it. The eye. Lawnmower.
Turmeric cream.
Separate line. Rusty and schooling buckles. Ice water.
Water. Southern tongue.
You definitely got a drink on that one.
I didn't laugh.
Right, I'm just saying, if you laugh, you got a drink.
And that's the truth. Hot air balloon.
I'm not gonna laugh. Whatever that comes my way on this. What's that a name? Donut cream filter.
Donut filling.
Filling.
Air biscuit. Something I can't pronounce.
Not me. Smoothie.
Smoothie.
Really? Oh, Spartan.
Sport.
Champagne cork.
Mr. Bubble.
Bubbles.
Oh.
These are fart names. That's what
Out
I
of
know.
gas.
Out of gas.
Rocking chair.
Rocking chair.
Anus madness. Well, they all come out the butt anyway, so. I don't know why they're gonna name me that. And it keeps going. Someone really messed their britches. Oh my god.
It's making me.
Lord.
It's making me cry.
Yeah, I guess you would be mad after that.
Damn, that thing's loud.
I know I would be. It just won't stop.
Drink your soda, baby. Reality show. Weird part.
Skid mark.
Get mark.
Ew. I don't know.
Would you like ketchup with that?
No, thank you.
I
But
gotta put this on Facebook. This on the
much love.
phone. Okay, Krista. Door jam.
Is the door jam?
Light a match.
No, don't leave me.
Okay.
Weed eater. Wet
Wait,
and
wimpy.
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 Packing tape.
I don't even know how to pronounce that.
Tanya party. BMX flat.
Okay, so someone had some Lexingtons, I guess.
Monica, you is stanky.
Bottom burp.
Bottom of
59 dessert. Jurassic Park.
Must be some dinosaurs around.
You can see we're having a good time, y'all.
Yes,
Mindy Brown.
gravy stains.
So you never make food the same way again.
Bowls of coffee.
Trying to play music. It's smart music.
Drink your soda.
Ready, set, blow.
Colin Powell.
Slow-mo something.
Slow-mo blow.
Nice try.
Nice try.
Rough cut.
Rough.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Grasshole.
Grasshole.
Alien encounter. Good stuff. Bathroom glitch.
I don't know.
Two.
Night move.
Night moves.
Feces.
Ew.
Hinder reminder.
Fart of the bumblebee.
Buzz down.
I have that one.
Macker and squeeze.
We all have gas sometimes. Oh, chuck a chicken. You want to chuck my chicken?
Choke the chicken.
Slippery when wet.
Slippery and when wet. Making sure. Don't forget, when we hear a fart noise and we laugh, we gotta drink a soda.
Airstrike.
Krista was about to laugh on that one. She hold her laugh. Airstrikes. Mini. You alright?
Yeah. Laugh at the hell,
Cute and sassy from the
Assy.
Minty. Okay. Don't say we cute and sassy. That sounds weird. Long and disgusting.
I gotta go get me some more drink. Cause already when I watch this 99 farts, you know I'm gonna be laughing.
Oh my gosh.
That one rip.
It sounded like they were laughing.
Excuse me. Oh no, not that one.
That's not a good one.
Now I got a hiccup.
Commotion.
Come on. Yeah.
No.
Come on. Yeah, you see, we're having a good time, y'all. Watching farts.
And it's a natural thing. And
Yeah.
y'all have got to admit, they're funny.
Sorry, I can't come to the phone right now. I'm in the can.
Teleport answering machine.
Oh, please, after the beep tone, leave your fart number, phone number, and message. Here's the beep.
Has that ever happened to you?
The Yankee Doodle.
Oh, this is awesome, guys. Listen to this one.
So good. Ricky Soda, Asher. Gotta remember when we laugh, we gotta stay on that part too. It's called Yankee Doodle Dandy Fart. Hope y'all enjoy it.
I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as we are.
Yeah.
Because this is awesome. This is hilarious. And there's still more. Oh, here's the one that made fun of a Christmas song.
Yeah, I think that's messed up.
It is. This is crazy.
They messed up a Christmas song.
It's called Silent but Deadly Night. For real, they messed up the song.
I like the song, but it's funny how they messed the song up.
Try to say the next part is first steady and
I'm mad about that. What can we do about it? I can't do nothing about it.
No, you're right.
It's already happened. That was a Christmas song. So here's the final one. Enjoy.
Number 99.
Beethoven's Fifth Oh my gosh! Poor person! Poor person!
Just like he got the squirt.
Yes, he does. He seems like he's got the squirt.
Got something.
He keeps doing that. He puts shit over his pants.
No, football win is wrong.
Poor person.
Oh man, the spilled drink on me. Yeah, I can't believe I missed my big mouth.
He said it.
Well, my dad always tells me that all the time when I miss food out of my mouth. See, I don't think I want to hear it. Know about that.
Can we watch it after we record?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch it after we get it. Oh, dang, dude.
Hey!
You stink.
Hope you enjoy it.
Hope you enjoyed the video, y'all. We got another video tomorrow.
Thank you.
Later.